Bonjour, welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today we are going to cook another French classic. It is a carrot dish which is really light and super healthy. It is also a vegetarian recipe. I'm Victor and today we are going to learn how to cook Carottes Vichy, which is carrots cooked in sparkling water. Yes sir, in sparkling water. It is called Carottes Vichy because traditionally the carrots would be cooked in sparkling water from the town of Vichy in Auvergne in the center of France. It is extremely simple and quick to prepare. And here they are, the Carottes Vichy. Are we ready to cook? Let's go! Very few ingredients are needed here. For 4 people, you will need 1 kilo of carrots. Butter, we'll be using 50 grams of it. Sugar, 1 spoonful. Parsley, about 2 spoonfuls. A couple of garlic cloves. This is optional, but I like my garlic. It gives it a bit of a kick. Also optional, some olive oil, thyme and bay leaf. A little bit of salt and indeed sparkling water. From Vichy, if you can find some. Of course you could use still water, but Vichy water contains sodium and bicarbonate of soda, which is supposed to give your carrots this particular taste and color. And that's it. Very simple. And this is all the gear we need, so as you can see, not very much at all. All you need is a chopping board, a large saucepan, a wooden spoon, a sharp knife, and a vegetable peeler. And that is it. So now we can get on with the cooking. First of all, rinse the carrots under cold water and then peel the carrots. Right, carrots peeled. Now, finely slice the carrots. Our slices should be about 5 millimeters. Chop the parsley. Peel and chop the garlic. Oh, that nice smell of garlic. I love it. Carrots in the saucepan. We add the garlic. Olive oil, thyme, bay leaf. We add 50 grams of butter, which we have cut into small cubes. Add the sugar and the salt. Give it a little stir and cover with Vichy sparkling water. On the hob and bring it to boil. It's boiling, so turn the heat down and cook until all the water has evaporated. Once the water has evaporated, you can remove the bay leaf and the thyme, add the parsley, mix well. smells good too. And voila, job done. Beautiful and tasty Carottes Vichy. You will see that those carrots are so soft. They will melt in your mouth. Check this out. Bon appétit. Well, this is not called easy French cooking for no reason. We have just learned one of the classics of French cuisine, and what was complicated about it? That's right, nothing. You can have Carottes Vichy as a side dish with fish or meat, or you can enjoy them as a main course too. I hope you liked that video. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments. And to keep up to date with the latest recipes, you must subscribe to my channel Easy French Cooking. It's free. And check out my other videos. Well, keep on cooking. À bientôt.